When Allah Almighty has written great success in your life, perhaps you will have to go through much negativity to get to the ultimate success that was destined for you. So what you're going through right now,
everyone thinks I'm losing, but I'm silently preparing for my comeback story. In the shadows of adversity, I cultivate strength, resilience, and determination. Watch me rise from the ashes.
যদি কোনো নারীর দেহে কোনো একটা অংশে গায়রে মাহরাম পুরুষের হাত লাগে, স্পর্শ লাগে, হাদিসে আসছে ওই জায়গাটার জন্য জাহান্নামের আগুন নির্ধারণ হয়ে যায়। সকলে বলেন নাউজুবিল্লাহ।
You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help, you make their lives better. You become that